We have new details about the murder of South Alabama professor Matthew Weiser coming in from court today.
Yeah, prosecutors say a Nintendo gaming device stolen from the professor's house led them to the suspects.
Our Tori Thornton is standing by with the new developments. Toy.
Well, Anise and Byron, a lot of the missing pieces to a case we were still calling a murder mystery less than a week ago are starting to come forward. A digital footprint.
During the course of the burglary, a Nintendo Switch was taken and then later connected to a network and tracked from there.
That's the clue investigators say led them to the suspects in the murder of South Alabama professor Matthew Weiser.
I don't know exactly what evidence they have against my client. We'll find out more in the weeks to come.
Those details coming to light at a bond hearing for 20-year-olds Derek Scott and Tiquez Timmons this morning.
How witnesses were identified and how the investigation was really able to lead to these two defendants.
Just a surprise. Of course, his parents are shocked. He's been accused, but we'll have to see.
My mom know I love. I'll be out.
Scott and Timmons are charged with felony murder. ADA Keith Blackwood says the duo were on a burglary spree through several neighborhoods and ended up at Weiser's home. Blackwood says Scott fired the gunshot that killed Weiser.
Timmons would drop off Scott to go burglarize houses and then would pick him up, and they would repeat the behavior somewhere else. And in this case, Professor Weiser was home and murdered because these two wanted to conspire together, allegedly to commit some burglaries.
Although the DA's office suggested a $300,000 bond, Judge Spiro Sheragatis set Scott and Timmons' bond at $150,000. He says he lowered it because neither have an adult criminal history.
He was working at the time, and we're just trying to find out how he got involved in this, if at all. One student in the South, I don't think he has any connection with the professor, so I don't know at this point why he has been roped into this.
If the bond is posted, they'll both be on house arrest and can only leave for work, school, or church. And the judge set both defendants' arraignment for Wednesday. Timmons did not have an attorney at today's hearing. Lenice.